Here we are in the dining room of our newest listing. What city is it in, Jeff?
It's in beautiful Garden Grove, California.
We've got a Garden Park Estates Plan 5 with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, huge living room, spacious backyard. And what schools does this one go to?
Oh, this goes to Barker Elementary and also Bell Intermediate and Pacifica High School.
Enjoy the view. So if you're a real buyer and you do want to see this house, we are going to be open through open houses, and you can always reach out to me direct. Google us, we show up, or leave a DM comment below. We'll let you see it.
See you at the next one.